Working that stick out the back of the truck, get feisty. Tied they fake like a Gucci man nigga went brr, and I made them icy. I give up.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Darren Van Heeren, also known as D the Creator, and welcome back to another video, baby. Anyways, this is officially my third vlog out on my YouTube channel, so can I please get a round of applause for that, baby? I think you guys, period. Anyways, this is going to be a 4-day vlog. Me and my friends are going to one of their family farms. Bitch. Not one of their family farms. Their family farm. We're going to their family farm. Her name is Julian. So I'm going to take you guys with me so you can see what we're going to get up to. I don't think we're going to do that much because we didn't really have anything planned. But this vlog is going to be tea. That's one thing I can promise you. But anyways, in this video we're gonna go to the mall to go look around for some things. If we don't find anything, it's also okay, but we're gonna go and check what we can get there. And obviously booze, baby booze is important. But anyways, we're gonna be spending some time on the farm. Me and my friends will have like a cute girls day or girls weekend. So please stay tuned, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. And please don't forget to and please don't forget to give it all big thumbs up. Please don't forget to comment, and please don't forget the main thing, baby. Please don't forget to subscribe. Period. Anyways, let's get into this video. Enjoy. Hi guys, just a quick notice. I know I didn't continue vlogging as soon as we got to the farm. Also my battery died and we were a bit tired from the long road, so we decided, or let me say I decided, not to record anymore. But we didn't really do anything the Friday night because we got there, we were tired, we just had a drink or two and all of us went to bed afterwards. So the tea content starts on Saturday and then continues on Sunday, so please keep on watching this video. Another reminder, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to like this video and continue watching it, guys. Enjoy.
The next day.
Hi guys, I'm Termin. This is my first drink for the day.
Hi, I'm Julia. This is my fifth drink of the day.
Hi, my name is Termin. This is my sixth drink for the day. Period.
Hi, this is Julia. This is my sixth drink of the day. I'm Julia. This is my eighth drink of the day. Hi guys, this is Julia. This is my ninth drink for the night.
Hi guys, it's me Termin again. This is my seventh drink for the night. Guys, it's me Termin again, and this is my ninth drink.
Hi guys, this is Julia again. This is my 10th drink for the night. This is my Julia again. This is my 11th drink for the night.
Period.
This is Julia once again. This is my 12th drink for the night. Oh,
Period.
clock it, my lady.
Clock it, sister.
Hey guys, I am Tyla. This is my 11th drink for the night.
Period. Clock it, sister. It's Muffin Chi on the block again. That is my 12th drink. Wow.
And the next day, and the next day, and the next day.
Guys, welcome back. So it's our last day on the farm, and me and Julia is going to get some water. We're gonna do it the rural way, guys. I'm taking a race. We're gonna go get some water at a tap miles away from the house. Hi guys, welcome back. So we had a great time at the farm. I know you guys have seen all the clips, although I didn't get to show when we went to buy some things and whatsoever, but the most important parts of the video is included in the vlog. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and let's see how my channel grow, guys. Let's keep doing the most. I know I haven't been posting in a very long time, but yeah, I am at another vlog and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, there are more exciting vlogs coming on soon, so please stay tuned, stay posted, and yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe.